Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the post-market analysis. Today is Monday, August 19, 2024. Right now it's 9:23. So, looking at the Sunday, the future open and it's very upbeat, and it quickly move above this opening zone. But after that, it seems like pretty violent. It came back down and tested this the opening center, and then went up again and kind of come back down again. Actually, make a making the new low, and later as we can see here, it did not make a new high, but it's kind of like almost kind of make a new high here as well, and as we can see, it only to kind of going low and kind of pretty much kind of flip over. Um, as we can see here, and I think if we look at this low to high, and this is really kind of yeah, it moved like more than kind of about kind of mirroring the low point here. So, but I think this is the opening low, and it definitely moved more than that. And if we look at the arrow here, and these are the sort of like the symmetric move, it moved even lower. And this is like apparently this is more than like 24 points, 25 points, and about like 30 points. So, but it was able to come back above the middle here, and later kind of keep moving up higher here. And when it get to the open, it actually did not open up much. It's only open about like actually less than 3 points. So it's been kind of within the small range. Well, actually, I should say that it actually kind of break above the opening range, and but it's kind of almost kind of mirroring that what happened like in the like future sessions. So it also come back down and make a new low, and later make a new high, and then make a new low again. And yeah, except this one did not get that bad as like a last night going symmetric here. But if say I look at the my signal here is kind of flashing this like a upbeat kind of like a energy here. So once it kind of break this new high again, this kind of almost like a pendulum swing over here, swing back, and even harder. So that's kind of like a really more energy that be able to go higher. And as we see that from there on, it keep kind of a margin higher, and actually from the high to low here is only less than what, about 10 points. It keep kind of chucking higher, and this is like getting to 1 o'clock. It came back down, but really it did not come back down too much. I would say this one came back down here is really setting up a like a 18 points run, which is corresponding to this 55.87, and this one kind of reached down here. I thought it is going to come back down to probably like probably 55.72 ish or something like that, but it did not. on the contrary, it's kind of only went back down to about 55.81, and I have to say this is really setting up for the like a about kind of like a 5600. So it's kind of more like a targeting here, and this one I have to say is quite interesting today. And this one, it can drop back down here and it stopped right here, right around at this 55.90, and this is another 18 points move. So if we look at here, this is from here to here, it's about 18 points. From here to here is not 18 points, but if we look at this as a target, like a 5600, coming down from here, and that's 18 points. And from here to this high, 55.87, that's another 18 points. And it's pretty cool. Apparently, I kind of obviously the market closed at the high, and obviously it's very, very strong, and the future had already opened, and right now is basically kind of well, the opening actually pretty wide. It's like this is like a 6 points range, and to me this is already a indication of the volatility likely overnight and tomorrow. So we shall see. In terms of calendar, and I noticed there's a very big headline here, and apparently this is signaling the rate cut really flashing, and everything's pointing to that we are going to have rate cuts. And also, as mentioned here, so apparently Chairman Powell will be speaking at Jackson Hole symposium on Friday. So probably not that peaceful after this week. We shall see. And in terms of calendar, tomorrow is Tuesday, and the first one is Red Book at 8:55, and then it's 10:30. It's the Fed Treasury purchase, and 11:30 that's Treasury bill auctions, and 1:35 it comes like a speech from Fed Bostic, 2:45 from Fed Bar, and after the close there is API crude oil inventory. So that's about it for tomorrow. So with that said, that's all I have to share, and I guess I still miss a little bit things here I forgot about. So the market move today it moved like 57 points. Yeah, today is a move over like a 57 points. So tomorrow, where is it going to go tomorrow? So for sure it should move at least 30 points tomorrow. So we are talking about 56.40 on the upside, and on the downside would be 55.80. So that's a very conservative, like the spot that that market going to go tomorrow. So yeah, for half is we come back to 50, 55.80 ish, and if we continue going up, it would go above 56 38. Okay. Wish you all the best, and may the energy be with you all time. Thank you.